Hey there, all you random viewers here. Welcome back. It's been a while since I've done anything lately. And lately it's been, in real life stuff has, kind of been the way. Not anything major or anything like that. Just, normal, mundane stuff. Anyway, if you've been following me on Twitter and on my Discord, then you may have been seeing that I've been getting ready for a refresh build. What am I refreshing? I'm refreshing my 7700K system because I feel it's time that needs a little bit of an update. Now, I'm not doing anything, well, I can't say I'm not doing anything huge because I really am doing a few dramatic things to it. So one of the things I'm going to be doing is, if you remember from my video from 2017, this box should look plenty familiar to you. This is the GTX 1070 for the Win 2 from EVGA. And this GPU still rocks, even in 2020. Still plays, all my games just wonderfully. However, I think in order to play more recent games, maybe take advantage of a few new features, I think I need to step it up just a little bit. Just a little bit. So what are we going to step it up with? Well, we're going to step it up with this thing. I don't know about you, but do you think they're trying to compensate for something else? Stick around. We're going to unbox this bad boy. So, some of you are probably thinking, hey, you're updating a 7700K system. Why are you updating the GPU? Well, for one, for the ray tracing, of course, and two, because, it has a better performance bump over the 1070. And 1070 is no slouch, and I am not getting rid of this, by the way, just in case anybody is wondering down in the comments and already typing furiously. No, this is going into my rendering and streaming rig for further NVENC boost and GPU acceleration for my video editing and my streaming. By the way, if you want to follow me on Twitch, click the link in the description below. Take me to my Twitch channel. I stream every Sunday afternoon about 2 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. I do stream PC games and console games. At the time of this recording, I'm currently in the middle of Horizon Zero Dawn, which is coming to PC later on this year. So, yet another reason to go for this. So, which flavor of overpowered card did I do for this? Well, this is the EVGA GTX, no, scratch that. This is the EVGA GeForce RTX 2070 Super for the Win 3 Ultra. Can you get a longer name, possibly? Well, actually, there is a few. There's the Ultra Plus, and then you have the 2080, 2080 Ti Super. Do they have 2080? I don't know. They have so many freaking naming conventions nowadays. It is unreal. They are crowding the GPU space like none other. Anyway, it's a big cart. There's a big box. I mean, holy cow, look at that. Look at that. For the Win 3 Ultra. I figure if I'm going for the Win 2, why not go for the Win 3? Sure, why not? All right. Let's go and open this up. Let's see what we got inside. Set this off to the side. Nice nondescript black box. Open this up. Oh, this is kind of cool. What is it they always say? Premium parts come with premium packaging. Nice form-fitting foam. So it's got a piece of foam that goes over the top to protect it. And then you got your installation guide. Not much really to know. I mean, not that they're really supporting NVLink or SLI or whatever. But I digress. All right. Wow, that is in there tight. Holy cow. Oof. Da. Alrighty. Anything else underneath? Wow. Nothing. Nothing at all. Whew, okay. Well, we'll just take this and we'll put this off to the side. Holy crap. And I thought my 1070 was massive. Jiminy Christmas. Got a nice big crinkly anti-static bag. Holy cow, would you look at that? Look at that bad boy. Triple fan design. And look how thick that is. Holy cow. And what's really nice? Nice metal backplate. Love these cards that have a nice metal... Metal? Yeah. No? Maybe? Got a backplate. So what we got on the back? We have 3 display ports, an HDMI port, and a, looks like a mini HDMI port. I'll put some B-roll up here to kind of give you some close-up of it, so that way you can see what it looks like. All right, ready for the good part? Let's do the peel thing. And then we got another one along the front. Whee! Oh man, I love it. That's nice. That is a very beautiful looking card. That's pretty. Kind of give it a little shine there, so that way the light can pick it up. But yeah, look at that. Nice triple fan design. Very thick heatsink. Wow. Those heat pipes in that thing. Dang. Yeah. This is a triple slot card. Either triple or 2.75 slot card. Take your pick. But this is definitely thicker. Oh wait, do I have more peel? I have more peel. That's what you call a card with a peel. Ha ha. Nice. Very nice. So it has, of course, it has 2 pin connectors up on the front, just like you'd expect with any super card. So why did I go with a 2070? Because some people would say, well, gee, Midnight, you're only running a 77RK. Why don't you do like a 2060 or 2060 Super? Well, to be honest, I'll go with what my friend Crash says to me. You know, he says I'm crazy, so hey, might as well live up to that, right? So I'm going to put this bad boy in with my 7700K. Power that power that puppy up. Power that bad boy up. But yeah, 2070 Super for the Win 3. Big card. And I am very happy with it. This thing right now was selling for about $570 on Amazon where I got it. So not a bad price. To be honest, with the CPU that I have right now, even in my opinion, anything over this is overkill. I would need to go up to like 3700X, 3800X, 9900K, something like that to even possibly justify doing anything more than that. And I game at 1080p. I don't do 1440. I don't have 1440p monitors. I don't have 4K monitors. I game on big TVs, so there's that. And my main monitor is a 50-inch high-definition TV at 60 hertz, so ain't just about anything that's, you know, enthusiast grade, I want to say, is probably way overkill. I'd probably need much better monitors, which is well outside my budget right now. Well, this was kind of pushing it, but if I was going to make one big purchase this year, it was going to be this. So that is my first impression of the RTX 26. And I know this card's been out for a while. I am not the first one off the boat to get one of these. I know tech tubers have probably tested and benchmarked and given all their thoughts from here to heck and back. But, you know, this is the, I want to call this is the everyman perspective. This is not the tech tuber perspective. I'm not looking at it as such. I'm looking at this like somebody who just went out and bought a card, wants a nice experience, and this is what I feel about this particular product. So will this be, will this have a huge bump in performance over my 1070 that I have now? Well, that I'll find out, because I'm going to run some tests with what I have at the moment, and then I'll run some other tests once I do all the other stuff. This is only one part of the refresh build, so there's other parts that are coming along. But I wanted to share this out there, just to kind of give you guys, you know, a feeling of how big this card looks. I mean, granted, you know, no video would do it justice. You kind of have to have it and kind of feel the weight. But yeah, it's heavy. Ooh, yeah, that's my poor motherboard. I'm glad it's got steel reinforcement slots. Anyway, so what do you think of this combination? Do you think I've totally lost my mind, or do you think this is a nice improvement? By all means, leave your thoughts in the comments down below. As always, I love to hear your thoughts, as always. And of course, if you like this type of content, you know where the like button is. If you want to subscribe, by all means do. Welcome to the Random Family. I'll have links to my Facebook, Twitch, Twitter, Discord, all that stuff down below. All the usual social media stuff that everybody talks about. All right, I'm out of here. Catch you guys next time. Until then, stay well, stay random, and we'll see you guys next time. Have a good day.